Today we're going to cover some big news from XRP as well as its chart where it's breaking a 6-year downtrend. But first, let's cover the market. So we can see Bitcoin's had a nice rebound from its recent drop. It's at 57,200. But looking at the top gainers, we can see XRP is near the top at 20%, up to 61.8 cents. And there's a big reason why. So just today, an article came out that they finally settled their case with the SEC. So this has been a long-running case for multiple years. The SEC was trying to say that Ripple's a security, and finally they have resolution. The resolution is that Ripple is not a security, but the judge did fine them $125 million after finding last year that its institutional sales of XRP violated federal securities laws. But the judge reiterated her view that Ripple's programmatic sales of XRP to retail clients through exchanges did not violate federal securities laws. And since then, we saw XRP take a huge spike. And actually, we had another person here post, the SEC case is finally over, but let me make something clear. The punishment was not the money. It was the 4 years of legal battles, limited XRP adoption, exchange delisting, psychological warfare, and exclusion from bull run participation. It was never about Ripple. It was never about Ripple doing anything illegal. It was always corruption on the government side attempting to slow down Ripple. Now it's free. And I want to post here about the 6-year trend line that XRP is breaking right now. So you can see here on the weekly that we saw this big trend line all the way back from 2017, and it rejected once, twice, 3 times, nearly 4 times, and now it's finally starting to break above it. So if XRP can close above this trend line, which right now it's sitting around 58 cents on the weekly, which would be closing in about 4 days. If it can close above this, it'll be extremely, extremely bullish. And that's when we can start targeting this $1, $2, and even its all-time high near 340. So that's something that I'm watching very closely. Again, looking at the RSI here, RSI is looking very bullish. I mean, we had this huge retest at the 50 level, and now it's pushing to the upside. So this is something I'm watching extremely close. Also, this is a pennant because you can see here on the bottom, it's bounced once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times off the bottom, 6 times actually from its wick that it had on the recent drop. So this bottom has been very big support, and now we can see it breaking resistance. So guys, keep an eye on XRP. I know it's one of those coins that we've joked about it being stable coin, not really doing much, but I think now that the cloud from the SEC is finally over, done with, they're classified as not a security. Now I think it has some breathing room and it'll catch a lot of people by surprise. So something else I also noticed in the charts is whenever XRP has huge runs, Ethereum and altcoins follow shortly after. So keep an eye. August is going to be a huge month for crypto and I can't wait to see it. Definitely excited. So guys, if you liked the video, please give it a like. Please comment if you have any questions and please subscribe if you haven't. Really appreciate all my subscribers. Till next time, thanks for watching.